Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little tour of how I organize my stickers. I do have some sticker books, from like Happy Planner, but these are mainly my sticker kits and character stickers that I have here that I'm going to show you how I organize. I have organized plenty of different ways. The most recent one is that I used to use like a clear bin, and then I would have a filing system, and each folder has like maybe chores or library or something like that. But I noticed with that, it was definitely easy, but I noticed that I totally forgot about so many of my stickers and I was just not using them. And I'm finding that with this route, I'm using more of my stickers, and I love flipping through the book and seeing all my collection. So I guess what I'll start with is this one right here. I believe I just got this reusable sticker book off of Amazon. It's quite small. I kind of wish I don't know if I knew that when I was buying it, but I probably did, because I'm always looking at the dimensions and everything like that on Amazon. But this holds a lot of stickers that I didn't use from kits, or like maybe it was in a freebie and then I used all of the freebies but not this one. So I kind of just throw them in here, and then I don't have like all these odds and ends of sticker kits or sheets that only have one or two stickers on. And then what I was doing is, I probably need to figure out a better way, but I was just tabbing it with like a piece of paper and tape because I wasn't really sure how I wanted to organize it all. This is kind of something where when I first bought this, I thought this was going to be like my only way of organizing my stickers. And I kind of wish I didn't do this. Like, I took almost all these stickers from a sheet when, the sheet was still pretty full. So I always forget that I have these because I really don't go in this book a lot. I might if I'm just trying to use up stickers, but a lot of times this book doesn't get used. So yeah, this is when I first started with this, and I thought this was the only way I was going to organize my stickers. So I guess before you use this, figure out why you want to use this, because, yeah, I wish I didn't do that in the beginning, but, I learned from that, so that's okay. Next up is this one, which is a smaller size. Let's see if I could get this out of the way. This is a smaller size binder. This is a regular size, and this is a smaller size. And sorry, I couldn't zoom out the camera more because then you see all my mess on the floor. So I'm going to just leave it at that. And it's a 2-inch, I believe. And I also got dividers or sheet protectors to go in it. And I wanted this solely for my sticker kits. What I've been doing is, so when I bought this, I started in June. So I just have these reusable sticker tabs that I got off of Amazon, and I just wrote on Sharpie what month it was, and then so the January and February are. Did I even use this in January and February? I don't think I even wrote it out yet because I didn't start this till later. So at the beginning of next year, I'm gonna have to set that up. But I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be using a ton of kits, so we shall see. But in the front, I would have had my monthly kit, but since June has passed, I've just been putting extra ones that I didn't end up using. If I skipped a week of planning, I just put them in here so I know to go ahead and use those, and those are up, for grabs. This is just leftover numbers because usually the kits come with, a full month, so you can use whatever week you want. So I have so many of these, and I did not feel like putting in the reusable sticker book, so I just keep them in here, and I try my best to like use the one with the least amount of stickers left, and so I could throw away the sheet. And then what I do is I use the wet erase markers, and I go ahead and write the dates on the bottom here, so then next year I can just wipe it off and then reuse them. And then the reason why I have two, these two of each week is because I was using sticker kits in both my Hobonichi Cousin and my Stalogy, my B6 Stalogy, which I'm not currently using, and it's kind of nice because then it's one less kit. It was kind of getting a lot because it was two different kits each week, and it was kind of, adding up. But yeah, so this is how I'm using this binder. And then each month I also have a protector for a monthly kit. So, and then I only used a monthly kit in my Hobonichi Cousin because, B6 Stalogy, I didn't really need a monthly kit. So that is that binder. And this big binder is, oops, I can't even open it. Okay, this was from Target, I think it was from Target. So let's see if I can fit it on here. I still need to make some tabs, but I'm still trying to figure out because this is fairly new, but I'm really loving it so far. And like I was saying, like now I can see all the stickers I have and actually use them, which is really nice. So at the beginning, I just put the emojis. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it here. These sheet protectors with 4 slots are from Amazon. Well, all these are from Amazon, really. And so these fit the character stickers really nicely. So I have emojis. Then I figured maybe like home and family. So I still need to get some tabs to put on. And then I still have so many Planner Kate stickers from when I was using the Life Planner. And these are just too big of a sheet, so I can't fit it in the ones with 4 inserts, and I can't fit it in these, which have 2 slots. But the 2 slots fit Sweet Kawaii Design stickers very well, so I did end up buying the 2 slot ones as well. But I just keep the Planner Kate ones in regular size sheet protectors. But I don't have many of these left, just because I haven't been buying them, so I don't have to use that many of the full-size sheet protectors. But these fit the Sweet Kawaii Design regular size stickers pretty well. So I have my home and like food and groceries. So I do that. Now these don't have inserts, ways to open it in the back, but I just been kind of doing, putting the stickers in where you could see it on both sides, just so, I know what's in there. So groceries, then I'm going to have this for more medical stuff. I still need to get a little bit more like medical type stickers. I have some like gardening stuff, trash. I have realized, as I've been using planners and stickers more, I'm trying to use or buy stickers that I'm repeatedly doing that task. So like I know I'm going to get mail or deliveries all the time. Well, hopefully not all the time. I know I always will have a trash day and recycling day. I know I'm always going to have to clean. So I've been trying to really, if I'm going to purchase stuff, make sure I have those like staple stickers and not buy too many stickers of things that like are odds and ends. So that's another thing. Budget pay stickers, some time of day stickers. Another thing that like I don't mind purchasing a lot of are workout stickers, because those are always, you're gonna work out. Work stickers. I have a ton of laptop stickers because that can either be for gaming or it could be for work or editing, anything like that, or meeting. And I have a lot of journaling and planner stickers, and also some shop owner planners. So definitely need to open my shop. I'm planning on opening in December. It's right now it's kind of just depending on how bad my head pains are. if you're new here, which I know I have new subscribers from my planner lineup video, so I'm so happy you're all here, and yeah, just sharing our love of planners and journals, because a lot of people don't understand. But yeah, if you're new here, I have like chronic head pains. It's constant, and I've had it since, I'd say sophomore of high school. So I don't know, it's just been acting up really bad this past like month. I mean, usually it's bad, but like this is like bad. So I'm aiming for a shop opening in December, but you know, I'm gonna try my best and we shall see. But I'll definitely let y'all know if I do open my shop again. Okay, and then YouTube, gaming, music gaming, and reading, audiobooks, library, definitely. That should actually be with the other headphones, but that's okay. And then I have some TV stickers, like stickers from, what do you call, not media, movies, and sports. I mean, the only sport I ever really care about is soccer or golf. And then I have these really old checklist stickers and like little boxes from Planner Kate. These are from my shop, but I've changed my name, so I still have to do a revamp of that. And then I have some annual stickers. So like these were holidays, and then I'm putting first quarter of the year here if I have any like holiday related things, and then I'll put this is out of date or out of order. I'll put the second quarter, third quarter, so on. These are tabs that I just never used, but I can use them, in journals or whatever if I want to. And then these are just extra kits that I used but didn't end up using everything. I originally used to have them in this binder, but whenever I grab this binder, I'm always going for like the full new kit. So I'm never going to this binder when I'm trying to use up things, and I find that it makes more sense in this binder because, like, let's say I needed a little checklist or just wanted a little dot or arrow or habit tracker, then I have it here. And they're just little things that I can add to my planner or journal and try and use up these sheets. And then this is sheets from the just standard size. I think these were cousin. No, these were standard. Maybe these are cousin. And I just put a really thick paper here so it wasn't all flimsy. So if you ever have anything that won't fit the other sizes with like 4 or 2 slots, then I definitely recommend putting like a really thick piece of paper or like multiple papers of printer paper, just to keep it a little bit more stable, or else it gets annoying, right? And then some more cousin kits that I haven't fully used up. What is this? More cousin kits. I don't know why. That should really be with these. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed. Still need to add the tabs, but pretty much it's there, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I feel like this system definitely lets me see more of my collection and just makes it more exciting to use my stickers. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed, and if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.